Hey everyone, Fergus here from Irish Scent Guy. So I'm just doing another unboxing here. This is the February Whiff box, so it just came today. I've taken it out of the big box because I had some other orders coming. So I haven't actually looked in this yet, so we're doing a live unboxing. Okay. So as always, we have the scent with love and using the hashtag happy whiffing. Okay, let's take a look. So we have, I'd say this is going to be love themed. So I'm just reading the back now. So love isn't the only thing in the air this month. Our February assortment of fragrance products is sure to steal your heart. And check out the back of this insert for fun Valentine's Day origami. Live, love, whiff. Scentsy. Share your unboxing moment with hashtag happy whiffing. So inside then we have this, which is I think it looks like it makes up 2 origami hearts. Very interesting. Might have a go of that. Straight off the minute I've opened the box, I'm smelling rose. So there's obviously something rose in here. And so there is. Okay. So first off, we have the Simply Rose Bath Ball. I think this is where I was smelling the rose from. We also have a Shimmer Bath Ball. Okay, what else do we have here? We have a bar of Honeymoon Hideaway. I quite like this. Actually, one of my friends loves this one. This is her go-to scent. I love this also in the laundry detergent. It's one of the nicest smells ever. Okay, we have a bar of the Rosewood Fressia, which is the scent of the month for February. We also have a Pink Haze Car Bar. Ooh. We have a Cinderella Happily Ever After scent circle. So we've Cinderella on one side and the pumpkin carriage on the other. This is anything like the Belle Enchanted Rose one that we got. That was just amazing. It lasted ages. I was very impressed with that one. And it looks like we have 2 scent tester pots here. So we have Strawberry Swirl. Now I've seen this one in the testers, so this isn't a new scent. I quite like it though. And Tea Leaf and Rose. So I think this is going to be the scent of the month for March. So I'm actually quite excited to try this one out. Ooh. I'm going to sniff this one straight away, if I can open it. It's got a very clean, fresh, it's almost kind of zesty, citrusy in there, I think. And then there's a kind of a floral note coming through. I think I like this one. Can't wait to see what this one, or even smell what this one's like when it's warming. That'll be a nice one. So, yeah. So the contents then of the box, just going it over. We have the 2 sample pots. We have the Cinderella scent circle. The Pink Haze Car Bar, the Rosewood Fressia Wax Bar, the Honeymoon Hideaway Wax Bar, and the Shimmer Bath Ball, and last but not least, the Rose Bath Ball, Simply Rose. And I think this one is actually being discontinued as well at the end of February, so this is your last chance really to get this. It might come into the clearance section in, let's see, 1st of April, but there's no guarantees. Now from next month onwards, I'm actually going to be getting my box a little later. I've added it now to my Scentsy Club subscription, so it's always going to come now. It won't be a case that I'll forget to order it. So it's going to come, I believe I've set it up for the 2nd Tuesday of the month it should ship, and so I should have it within a week after that, ready to make more videos for you guys. So I'll put up a link again in the description just with the contents of the box, so if you want to take a look at those. And if you want to get your own Whiff box, you can order these on a one-off basis, or you can also do a recurring subscription through the Scentsy Club. So one of the benefits again with the Scentsy Club is if you add wax bars, not the Whiff box itself now, but if you add wax bars that have been discontinued by Scentsy, they will always make your bar for you. So one of my favorites, which has been discontinued a while, is called Happy Birthday, and there's another two I like, Vanilla Oud and My Dear Watson. So I'm waiting patiently for the Bring Back My Bar voting to get voting for those two bars, because I want to add them to my Scentsy Club subscription, because Happy Birthday is one of my all-time favorites. It just smells like jam and cake and Victoria sponge. It's, oh, I nearly want to eat the bar of it or lick it. Absolutely, it's just one of the best. And My Dear Watson was actually one of the very first scents. It was the first scent I ever warmed from Scentsy, so it's got a special place in my heart, and it's a lovely, fresh, masculine scent. It's just one of the others. And then Vanilla Oud came in, I think it was last autumn winter, but it didn't come back for this autumn winter, so I was a little disappointed with that one, and that it didn't make a return. But it is still available in clearance. There are still a few bars of it floating around, but you can't add the clearance section into your Scentsy Club subscription, so I'm waiting for voting to happen again. So we've just had the Bring Back My Bar from January, so they were available in January. So I think the next one should be available towards the middle of the year, or maybe the voting is in the middle of the year and it might happen towards maybe October or something. But as soon as I know any more, I'll let you know. And with the voting, you can vote like multiple times a day, and you can vote for up to 5 bars at a time. So I'll be doing all 5 happy birthdays, I think, at this stage. Now, Happy Birthday did come back as a Bring Back My Bar, but Scentsy Club wasn't around at that stage. So next time it comes around, that is definitely going in my subscription, because that is a bar I always want to have on hand. I have a couple that I did stock up on when it came back as a Bring Back My Bar, but they are starting to run low, so yeah, need a restock. So if anybody wants to help me out when the voting happens, please vote for Happy Birthday, My Dear Watson, or Vanilla Oud, if they're there. Okay, I'll talk to you soon, guys, and I'll make more videos soon of what I've been warming and using for Scentsy related products. Take care, bye.